Welcome to the class, students. Today in this class, let us move on to graphical representation of frequency distribution. Graphical representation of frequency distribution. In that, we will come under 4 categories. One is histogram, next frequency polygon, frequency curve and the ogives. We have 4 concepts from frequency distribution, graphical representation of frequency distribution. Today in this class, let us solve some graphs or solve some problems on histogram. Okay, take down this first problems. This problems on histogram. Draw histogram for the following data. For the following data. This is class interval frequency. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, next 13, 17, 15, 13, 10. So, this histogram is a very simple concept in frequency distribution, graphical representation of frequency distribution. Using the given data, to draw the histogram, we want the class interval and the frequencies. Okay. So, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So, in y-axis we will take the frequency. Here the frequency, the minimum frequency is 10 and the maximum is 17. So I'll start from 0, then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So that you can get the clear picture of this histogram, and in x-axis we will take the class interval. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, till here I have taken. Now we have to show this histogram using the bars. See, the class interval 0 to 10, the frequency is 13. The class interval is this, from 0 to 10, it is 13. 13 will comes here. Okay, so for this we should put one bar. Okay, this is our first bar, it is histogram. Next, for the interval 10 to 20, between the interval 10 to 20, the frequency is 17. So, here 17 I will get. So, I will take and I will put the bar like this. Okay. Next, from 20 to 30, the frequency is 15. 15 is comes here. So, again I should come down and take the bar. Next, it is 30 to 40. Between the interval 30 to 40, it is 13. So, 13 will comes here. So, this is our another bar for 40. Next, it is 40 to 50. It is 10 only. So, it will comes here. So, this is your 50. So, here I should write the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. 10 units, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, because here we have taken the class interval. Similarly, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 frequency. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units, or here we have taken the frequency, it is 2 frequency. This is how we have to draw the simple histogram, and this very important concept for your exam point of view. Next one. Next problem. Draw histogram for the following data. Draw histogram for the following data. Okay, so here it is, wages, it's in 1000 rupees. Next, number of workers. wages and number of workers. 2 to 4, 5 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13, 14 to 16, 17 to 19, 20 to 22, 23 to 25. It is 2, 6, 8, 25, 40, 30, 28. Okay, see here in the given problem, this data or the class interval is not continuous. It is inclusive type of class intervals. But we have to make this inclusive type of class interval into the exclusive type, so that it is easy to construct the histogram, because histogram should have a exclusive type of class interval, so that we can see the clear picture. Otherwise, this type of data will give the breakage between the bars. So first I will make this class interval. I am taking this new class interval. Okay. So for this, to make this continuous, here I should subtract 0.5. For this I should add 0.5. You know how to make this, because already we have solved so many problems of this type. This is inclusive type, so we have make this to exclusive. So for that, for lower limit I should subtract 0.5, for upper limit I should add 0.5. So this is 1.5 to 4.5, 4.5 to 7.5, 7.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 13.5, next 13.5 to 16.5, 16.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 22.5, 22.5 to 25.5. So this is our new class interval. So we make this class intervals continuous, that is exclusive type. Next thing is we have to draw the graph. X axis and this is y axis. See here in x axis again we will take the class intervals. So in y axis we have to take the number of workers. In y axis it is number of workers. Here in number of workers the minimum number is 2 and maximum is 40. So I will start with 5, 10, 0, 5, 10 like that. It is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Okay, till that we have. Next in x axis I should take one interval, that is it is 1.5, 4.5, 7.5, next 10.5, 13.5, 16.5, 19.5, 22.5, 25.5. So here 1 centimeter will be equal to 1.5, 1 centimeter will be equal to 3. Okay, so now I should draw this from 1.5 to 4.5 the number of workers is 2. So this is very low. Next 4.5 to 7.5 it is 6. 4.5 to 7.5 it is 6. Okay, next it is 7.5 to 10.5 it is 8. Next 10.5 to 13.5 it is 25. 10.5 to 13.5 it is 25. Next 13.5 to 16.5 it is 40. Okay, next 16.5 to 19.5 it is 30. Again it is comes down. Next 20. And last one is 8. So this is how we have drawn the histogram for the given data. Now we should write the scale. X axis 1 centimeters is equal to 3000. See here for this, the difference between this 1 centimeters is 3000. So next y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 number of workers. Number of workers. So this is how we have drawn the histogram for the we make this first exclusive class intervals, then we have drawn that one. Next problem. Draw a histogram for the following data. So one more problem you are solving. Okay. So here daily wages in rupees. Next, number of workers. Number of workers. 100 to 150, 150 to 200. 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400. And this 7, 19, 27, 15, 12 and 8. So this is daily wages, and here the interval is same. So here we have to take the number of workers. So in y axis it is number of workers. In x axis it is daily wages in rupees. So here I will start from daily wages is 100 and the intervals is 50. So I will start with 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. 300, 350, 400, 450. And in y axis we have to take the number of workers. The least one is 7 and the highest one is 27. So I will take 5, 10, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now we should draw the graph. For 100 to 150 it is 7. 100 to 150 it is 7. Next, 150 to 200 it is 19. Next, 200 to 250 it is 27. Next, 250 to 300 it is 15. Next it is 12. And last one is 8. So this is how a simple histogram we have drawn. Now we have to write the scale. X axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50 rupees. Y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 workers. 50 rupees and the 5 workers. This is how we have calculated the how we have shown the histogram on the graph. Let us solve one more on this. So we have to draw the histogram only. Here it is the class interval. Class interval frequency. It is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Next 2, 5, 12, 7, 4. This is a simple histogram. X axis we will take the class interval. In y axis we will take the frequency. Okay. So in the class interval it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. In y-axis it is start from 2 and end with 12. So I'll take 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. This is your y-axis. Next we have to draw the histogram. It is for 10 to 20 it is 2, 10 to 20, 10 to 20 it is 2. Next 20 to 30 it is 5, 20 to 30 it is 5. Next it is 12. Next it is 7. Last one it is 4. Okay. Now we have to write the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Next y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 frequency or 2 units. So in the histogram writing the scale is also important and that will also carry marks. Okay. Next one. Marks, number of students. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 5, 14, 20, 16, 8. So this is the data they have given and this is just a simple one. This is y-axis. In y-axis this is number of students. So here I will take it as 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and in y-axis I will take it as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and it is 20 వరకు 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಂದ ಕಷ್ಟ 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This is number of students. And here it is marks. It is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now we should draw the graph from 0 to 10. 0 to 10 it is 5. Okay. Next 14. Next after 14 it is 20. Next it is 16. Last it is 8. Now you should write the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 students. So for your exam point of view, this concept is very, very important and you have to follow this one. And here this is a rough sketch. If you use the graph sheets for this practice to draw the histogram, you will get a clear picture and exact bars so that it is easy to calculate. So later classes, let us discuss some more problems on this topic. So thank you.